If you want to wear something that will leave you alone and will do the job of keeping you comfortable perfectly in order, then you need to check out What Yoga Leggings Wholesale and add them to your collection so that it doesn't hamper your gym time. You just need to make sure that you are wearing it with the right things so that it works out well at the end. You need to make sure that you are choosing the elements that will accent the looks on your yoga pant, rather than being a disturbing element poking out of context. Appropriate design. Design should be your call primarily, but if you want the premium for yoga pants, you can stick to minimal designs and will look great on you when you are working out. Going bold and flamboyant is also an option you can opt for. This will not only make you look good but will also make sure that you are wearing something that is not going to cause you trouble when you wear them for long hours. Choose neutral colors. While choosing yoga pants, you should maintain a regular feel all over the body. You can check out fancy color trends featured on power yoga leggings, but you can also choose to stick with neutral yoga pant trends. It looks gorgeous and are comfortable.